So if you're in the market for a truck in 2025, pay close attention because these are the least reliable pickup trucks of the year, according to owners' reports, expert reviews, and industry reliable studies. Let's begin. Number one, the Jeep Gladiator, a fun off-roader with serious reliability problems. The MSRP starts around 40 grand. Competitors are the Tacoma, Ford Ranger, and the Colorado. Now, the Jeep Gladiator was supposed to be the ultimate blend of Jeep's off-road capability and the practicality of a truck. Instead, it turned into one of the most unreliable trucks on the market. According to Consumer Reports and JD Power, owners report ongoing electrical gremlins, transmission failures, and steering issues, a problem Jeep has struggled with across multiple models. Now, owners have complained about the death wobble. You've heard of that term. It's a common Jeep issue where the steering violently shakes. It's just a term, as well as excessive oil consumption and poor build quality. For a truck that's supposed to handle rough terrain, the Gladiator spends far too much time in the shop. Next, we had the Chevrolet Silverado 1500, a big truck with big problems. MSRP starts around 39-40 grand. Competitors include the F-150, Ram 1500, and the Tundra, of course. The Silverado 1500 is a full-size truck with serious muscle, but unfortunately, it has been plagued with control issues, quality control issues, software malfunctions, and transmission failures. The 8-speed automatic transmission in particular has been a nightmare, with reports of hard shifting, slipping gears, and early failures. According to JD Power's 2025 reliability rankings, the Silverado 1500 ranks below average, with owners frequently complaining about electronic failures, engine issues, and faulty fuel management systems. Chevrolet's attempt to improve fuel economy with cylinder deactivation technology has backfired, apparently, leading to excessive wear on the engine. If you're looking for a full-size truck that will last, you might want to steer clear of this one. If you have information to say otherwise, leave it in the comment section below. Next, we have the F-150 Hybrid, a high-tech gamble that's not paying off. MSRP starts around 50. Your competitors include, again, the Silverado 1500, Ram 1500, the Tundra Hybrid. Now, Ford's F-150 is America's best-selling truck. I've heard this so many times because it's true. But the hybrid version is causing headaches for owners. Reports indicate battery and electrical system failures, software glitches, and unpredictable power loss. Ford has been pushing hybrid technology in its trucks, but the execution hasn't been flawless. Many F-150 hybrid owners have experienced, they say, engine misfires and erratic shifting, and some trucks even suffering complete system shutdowns. Given the high price tag and ongoing reliability concerns, this might not be the smartest choice if you need a dependable work truck. Now we have the Nissan Titan, the end of the road for a struggling truck. That's one way to put it. MSRP starts around 48. Competitors include the Tundra, F-150, Silverado 1500, the usual suspects. Titan has been one of the worst-selling full-size trucks for years. It's not hard to see why. With poor fuel economy, outdated technology, and reliability issues, Nissan has failed to make the Titan a serious competitor in this class. Owners report constant electrical issues, failing transmission components, and suspension problems. Even Nissan seems to have lost faith in the Titan. If a truck is being discontinued, that's usually a red flag for reliability concerns. The Toyota Tundra, a rare Toyota miss on reliability. MSRP starts around 41, 42. Your competitors, the usual ones, F-150, Silverado 1500, Ram 1500, all of the usual ones. Toyota trucks are typically known for their bulletproof reliability, but the latest generation Tundra has been facing serious quality issues. The twin-turbo V6 has been plagued with wastegate failures, leading to expensive engine repairs early in ownership. Not a good sign. Additionally, software problems, infotainment system failures, and faulty fuel pumps have frustrated owners of Tundras. While Toyota will likely fix these issues in the future for model years then, the 2025 is shaping up to be a disappointing entry into an otherwise legendary truck lineup. If you're shopping for a truck this year, don't get lured in by flashy marketing or aggressive dealer discounts. Reliability should be one of your top priorities, if not the top, because No one wants to be stuck in a vehicle that spends more time in the repair shop than in your driveway or on the road. Now, before you sign on the dotted line, do me a favor, make sure you check real-world reliability reports, owner reviews, expert ratings, YouTube videos. Some trucks look great on paper but fail when they put to the test of everyday driving. If you're looking for the best deal on a new or used truck, don't forget to visit quotes.everymandriver.com. Quotes.everymandriver.com. You can access real-time dealer pricing in your area, helping you save hundreds, possibly thousands of dollars, most likely, on your next new vehicle, truck, car, or SUV. Thousands of people use this tool every day. I know they do, so don't miss out on your chance to get the best deal by visiting quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a direct link below this video. Please let me know in the comments, have you owned any of these unreliable trucks? Are they unreliable in your experience? What was it like? I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one. Looking for a great at-home sauna at a great price? Get 5% off any indoor or outdoor sauna, cold plunge, or infrared sauna from Almost Heaven with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at checkout. For over 40 years, Almost Heaven Saunas have been trusted as the top American home sauna manufacturer. Almost Heaven Saunas deliver high-quality products and firmly stands behind the holistic benefits the sauna brings to your mind and your body. Again, get 5% off any order with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at almostheaven.com. There's also a direct link below this video. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Today's video is brought to you in part by Ironman Darts. If you're looking to pick up a new and fun hobby that you can play at home or at the local pub, check out the Ironman Darts YouTube channel for simple and easy practice routines, lessons on how to throw darts, darts games for beginners, and real matches versus real people with both steel tip and soft tip darts. Click the link below and watch for free. And there it is.